I should say that I finished painting the second caliper, and now I have two of them. They look pretty good in my opinion. This color is really something. I don't know if it's really going to match the rest of the car, which is sort of like this. Oh, look at that gap. But I like the color by itself. It's really pretty. Here's the final result. I have installed the brake caliper. Well, I assembled it first, then installed it, and that's what it looks like. Well, without the wheel naturally at this point. And here's what it looks like with the wheel on. Kinda not a whole lot of brake caliper to see, really. I mean, it's still there and visible, but it's sort of, even with this type of a wheel, it's kind of still not a whole lot of show. That being dark blue, it's not a bright color, so it doesn't really show much. And I guess I kind of like it. I also kept this retainer spring in black color. I did not paint it blue, the same color as the caliper. I guess that kind of makes sense to me. I think I like this. And I may even keep it. I don't know. I guess I'm just that lucky. Every time I try to do something here, film something, get a video of something, there is a neighbor right there. That's just like, he has nothing else to do but make all those noises. It's just, I guess, the nature of those people.